Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody, 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 everybody.
Hello, I'm RYLEE. I will be making a strawberry smoothie. Here are the ingredients: 3 cups of strawberry, a cup of vanilla ice, half a cup of Greek vanilla yogurt, and a tablespoon of sugar. We have a strawberry smoothie.
Well, good morning everybody. My name is SWAN and I'm with Brunswick Bites. And this morning I will be making a peanut butter and banana smoothie, and it's going to be sweetened using honey. So the ingredients that you're going to need is you're going to need 2 bananas ripened and peeled. You're going to need a cup of almond milk. You're going to be using 3 tablespoons of the peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of the honey, and then you're going to be using a cup and a half of ice. And that is all the ingredients that you're going to need for this. And then I'm going to add the bananas. Peanut butter and butter. One tablespoon of honey.
Bye.